students. We have finished exercise 2b. Okay, all these questions we have done. We have finished till question number 11. Now we will start with exercise 2c today. First question is tick the correct answer. In this question solving, you have to understand two things. There are some numbers that we can write in this form, 1.5 suppose into 10 to the power 6. This type of form, it is known as standard form. When we write in 10 to the power something, this is known as standard form. This also we can write as, see, 1.5 means remove this decimal and you get 10 here. And how many zeros are here? 6 zeros. Power 6 means 10, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 0 will cancel. So we have 15 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is known as your usual form. This is known as your usual form. And this is known as your standard form. All this one, standard form. When we write in power like this short, and when we expand and explain fully, that is known as usual form. Now in this question number 1, first part is the standard form of 23,000 is, okay, one of this answer it is. Now let us see how to get the answer. Question number 1, the first part, 23,000. When you write in the standard form, you have to bring the decimal after the first digit, like how it is here, after the first digit. So to bring the decimal here, I should have in denominator, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if I have 4 zeros, then for these 4 zeros, I will put the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 before 4 digits from the right side here. But when I write this down, 10,000 down, it was not in the question, I'm writing it myself. To balance it, I will also multiply with 10,000. So now for this, I can put for these 4 zeros 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal point will be 2.3. After that, these zeros have no values. If I write here 1, 2, 3, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. These 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. I put decimal here. And this is left. This is 10. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there. Now these zeros in the end have no value, so I can write as only 2.3 into 10 to the power 4. So what is the answer you see here? The answer is B part, 2.3 into 10 to the power 4. So this is their answer, B part, 2.3 into 10 to the power 4. This is the answer. Second part, the usual form of this. Usual form is explained fully like this one. Whole thing you have to explain nicely. Write it. So let us find the usual form of this number. Solve it. 1.5 will mean remove this decimal and we get 10 here. To make the negative power positive, we will take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. Last time I taught you this. So we have 15 over, how many 10s are there? 10 to the power 3 here, 10 to the power 1. If there is no power, power is 1. Then base is same, powers are added. So 10 to the power 1 plus 3, that is 4. So I can write, we have to write this in the usual form. So I have 4 zeros. This means 15 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So adjust the decimal point for this right here, 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal will be here. So which is the answer here? A part, 0.0015. So answer is A part, 0.0015. This is the answer. Third part, the charge on an electron is this. It's a big number, don't get confused. This charge in standard form. Standard form means we have to write in 10 to the power. Now which will be the answer? Now you see here, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That means from here there are 20 digits, then there is decimal point. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Now we have to write this in the standard form. Okay. Now what is this one actually? This is 16 over, there are 20 digits. So over, this means 10 to the power 20, because there are 20 digits here. Now in standard form, decimal should come here. So from here 110 I will take separately, and the other 19, from 20 I take 1 separately and 19 is left. This 10 I adjust here. For this 10, decimal will come here 1.6, and this will go up and become, when you take on top, this power 19 will become minus 19. So your answer is C part, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. You see here, this is the C part, this is the answer. Fourth part, same way you will solve by yourself. Okay, first don't simply tick. You must show like how I have solved, show the answer, then tick it. Okay, next question is question number 2. The first part is 18 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The question is express the following numbers in the standard form. Now standard form is in 10 to the power I have to write. So to bring the decimal here, how many zeros I need in denominator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I put here 6 zeros. Okay, 1, or you can write like this also. 6 zeros down and 6 zeros on top also you have to do to make a balance. Now this is equal to, for these 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal comes here 1.8. Now these zeros which will be there after decimal I am not writing because they will have no value. So 1.8 into 10 to the power 6. This is the answer in the standard form for the first one. Second one, 4, 3, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Okay. Now to bring the decimal here, how many zeros should be down? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need 10 zeros down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for 10 zeros down, to make a balance, right here also 10 zeros. For these 10 zeros, decimal will come here 4.315. The remaining zeros I am not writing, they have no value. Into 10 to the power 10. This is your answer in the standard form. Okay. Now third part you will do homework. I am doing the fourth part. Fourth part is 0. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have 927. 927. Okay. Now I need to bring decimal here, 9.2. Let's see what is this actually now. If I remove this decimal, how many zeros will come down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros down. This is the answer of this one. Okay. When you remove decimal, you will get this one. Now from here, I take 2 zeros to bring the decimal here. So if I take 2 separately, how many left? 9 will left. 9 plus 2 is 11. Now this will become, for these 2 zeros, I put the decimal here, 9.27. And this 10 to the power 9, when it goes on top, power will become negative. It will become minus 9. So this is your answer in the standard form. Fifth part is same. That will be your homework. Sixth one also. I will take the seventh part. Seventh part is 53.24. Okay. Now This one I can write as 53.24. Remove the decimal, we get here 100. To bring the decimal here, I should have 1, 2, 3 zeros down. So I multiplied by 10, and numerator also I multiply by 10. So now I have 3 zeros. For these 3 zeros I can put the decimal here. Now 5.324. Okay, only 110 is left. So you can write or if suppose, so this is your answer, 5.324 into this 10 is left. All these 3 zeros we have used in putting the decimal. This is your answer. The next part will be your homework to be done same way. Question number 3 now. The first part, 3.2 into 10 to the power 6. The question is express the following numbers in usual form. Usual form is you have to remove the 10 to the power, write the full number. Okay, so 3.2 means remove this decimal, we get here 10 into 10 to the power 6. Now from here when you can cut it. This 10 will cut with the power. And how many 10 will be left? 5 are left because there were 6 10. So from 6 10, 1 10 is cut. Don't cut this 10, only the power you will cut. So from the 6 10, okay, 1 10 is already cut. The how many 10 are left? 5. So cut 6 and write here 5. So now we get 32 multiply by 10 to the power 5 means write 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is 5, write 5 zeros when you multiply. If it is 4, write 4 zeros. This is the usual form. The second part is 4.9 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, so 4.9 means remove this decimal, we get here 10, and this is 10 to the power minus 6. So we have to write this in the usual form. This 10 to the power minus 6, you take it down. So take the reciprocal, the power becomes positive. Now how many 10s are there? 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. Okay, now let us adjust the decimal point for this. 9, 4, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 digits complete. Now decimal will come here. This 0 has no value. So to adjust this 10 to the power 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make 7 digits, put decimal. So this is your answer in the usual form. The next two parts, third and fourth part, are going to be your homework. Next, question number 4. Express the numbers appearing in the following statements in standard form. Same only, we have done standard form. Same question only. This is again same type. Question number 4, the first one. 1 micro is equal to this. Okay. What is the number? 0.0001234 3, 4, 5 zeros 1. Okay, we have to express this in standard form. Standard form means in 10 to the power I have to write. So 0.1234545 remove this decimal and you get here 10 to the power 5. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. There's 6 digits. 2 3 4 5 6. The 6 or 6 will come here then. When you remove decimal, we'll get 6 down. Okay, so this is nothing is there, only 1 is there left in them. So right here 1 into 10. This 10 to the power 6 when goes on top, power becomes negative. So this is the answer, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Second part, the thickness of a sheet of steel is 0.0012 millimeter. Okay. The units also you'll write in the answer. If it is meter, write meter. Okay, so this one we have to write in standard form. Again in 10 to the power I will write 0.0012. When you remove this decimal, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros down. In standard form, I have to bring the decimal here after 1. So these 3 zeros have no value. To bring decimal here, I will use 1 0 from here. So it will become 12, 1 0 I am using, and the other 3 zeros I am separating. So for this 10 I put here decimal 1.2, and this 10 to the power 3 will go on top and become negative. So this is the answer in the standard form. The size of a bacteria is 0.123456. 123,456. This is the size of bacteria. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so remove the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5.